Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to make WhatsApp ask every time it accesses your camera. This is a great way to maintain control over your privacy while still using WhatsApp's camera features when needed. Let's get started. First, open your phone's Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once inside, look for the section labeled Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. This is where you'll manage permissions for all the apps installed on your phone. Next, scroll through the list of apps until you find WhatsApp. If you have many apps installed, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly locate WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp to open its settings. Now, select permissions from the options available. This is where you can control what WhatsApp has access to on your device. Inside the Permissions menu, locate and tap on Camera. Here's the important part. You'll see several options for camera access. Choose Ask every time. This setting ensures that whenever WhatsApp wants to use your camera, it will prompt you for permission first. It's a simple yet effective way to safeguard your privacy. And that's it. You've successfully configured WhatsApp to ask for camera access every time it needs it. This gives you full control over when and how the app uses your device's camera. Thank you for tuning in. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these privacy tips. Stay safe and see you next time.